Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Roblox not installing. So if you also want to fix Roblox not installing, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So sometimes Roblox might not be installed because of some error in your PC. In that case, what you have to do is restart the PC. For that, what you have to do is click on the Windows icon that you can see on the taskbar. Now over here you'll be able to find several options. Right over here you'll be able to see the option for power. All you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be able to see three options over here: sleep, shut down and restart. All you have to do is click on the restart option that you can see right over here. Now your PC will restart. After that, hopefully Roblox will be installed. If it does not work for you, what you can do is try checking the local app data. For that, what you have to do is click on the search icon that you can see on the taskbar. You can see the search bar over here. Simply type in run. Now you'll be able to see the results for run over here. Look right over here. You'll be able to find several options. At first, you'll be able to find the option for open. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here, run will be opened. Here you'll be able to see the search bar. In the search bar, what you have to do is type in %symbol, local app data %symbol. After typing it, simply click on the OK option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here, this kind of windows will open up. Over here, you'll be able to see the app data of local applications. You'll be able to see several folders over here. Scroll down, find the option for Roblox. Once you find the option for Roblox, all you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here too, you'll be able to find several folders. What you have to do is find the folder for versions. Once you find the folder for versions, all you have to do is click on it. Now versions will open up. Over here, you'll be able to find several versions. What you have to do is click on the latest version. Identify the latest version based on date. Now click on it. Now that particular folder will open up. Over here, you'll be able to find the option for Roblox Player Installer. All you have to do is click on it. You might not be able to find the option over here. In that case, what you have to do is go back. Now simply click on the previous version. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to see several options. Find the option for Roblox Player Installer. Once you find the option for it, simply click on it. After that, Roblox will be installed on your PC. If it does not work for you, it might be because you're not using the latest version. If you want to download the latest version, what you have to do is open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now simply click on the search bar that you can see at top. Type in roblox.com, press enter. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the official website of Roblox. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be in the home interface. You'll be able to see several games over here. What you have to do is click on any of the latest game. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here that particular game will be opened. Now here you'll be able to see the play button. All you have to do is click on it. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here this kind of pop-up will appear. Over here you'll be able to find the option for download and install Roblox. All you have to do is click on it. After that, Roblox will be installed. Now if this also does not work for you, there is also another way. For that, what you have to do is go to Microsoft Store. Simply click on the search icon that you can see at the taskbar. Now click on the search bar, type in Microsoft Store. Now you'll be able to see the results for Microsoft Store over here. Over here, you'll be able to find several options. Simply click on the open option that you can see at first. Now you can see over here, Microsoft Store has been opened. Initially, you'll be in the home interface. In home interface, you'll be able to see several apps, games, movies and more. Simply click on the search bar that you can see at top. Type in Roblox, press enter. Now you'll be able to see the result for Roblox. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here, Roblox will be opened. Right now over here, you can see the play option. It is because Roblox is already installed in mine. If you do not have Roblox installed on your PC, instead of play option, you'll be able to see the get option. All you have to do is click on it. After that, Roblox will be installed. So that is how you fix Roblox not installing. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.